What's up, everyone? Just out in the shop, going to pick away at the C10. We're going to move forward on the wiring for the front harness. So I have the runs kind of roughly gone to the headlights, the signal, the side marker on both sides, got the horn wiring roughly in place. We don't want to use the original connectors for the bulbs. I don't know what you guys can see here, but you can see all the shit and rust and corrosion. So that's going to be dim bulbs, intermittent operation of the bulbs. It's not going to be anything but problems. So I told Sean to find some new connectors. He found Painless has a socket pigtail kit for square bodies. So looks like a pretty good kit. Comes with new connectors for the brakes, reverse, side markers, signal park lamps. It does not come with the headlight socket, so I'll show you that. So it looks like real good seals are in good shape. Comes with a little paper to tell you the wiring. Comes with the heat shrink and crimp connectors and eyelets if you want to use that. So for the headlights, he bought some Dorman pieces. These are going to be just plug-and-play replacement. Same reason that we don't want to use the original ones. They're old connectors. There's corrosion on them. It's going to be nothing but problems. Why use old connectors if you can replace them when you're changing everything on the truck for wiring as well? So let's get to it. To fine-tune the harness run lengths, put your connector in place and then route your harness to about where it needs to be, and then you have your approximate length. Cut the wires to suit. Done.